What if one line of user input could let a stranger wipe your entire server? The eval function takes a string and executes it as live Python code. Pass user input to eval, and you're handing an attacker full control of your program. There's no sandbox. Valid Python runs immediately. Here's a real attack string. Import OS, call system with remove rf/. That single payload deletes everything your server can access. What makes eval so dangerous is that it runs with complete access to Python's built-ins, all imported modules, and every variable in scope. Attackers can use the os module if your code already loaded it, and built-ins like open and exec need no imports at all. With full environment access, an attacker can read your config files to steal credentials, run shell commands to install backdoors, make network requests to exfiltrate data, or simply delete everything. Any capability your server process has, the attacker inherits. The fix is simple. Never use eval on untrusted input. For Python literals like lists and dicts, use ast.literal eval. It only accepts safe Python types. For JSON data, use json.loads. For math expressions, use a dedicated parsing library. Each alternative is explicit and safe by design. Eval executes arbitrary code with full Python environment access. Always use ast.literal eval or json.loads instead, and never pass user input directly to eval. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.